Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide
for Nissan's 1997 to 2004 Frontier.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Lift your vehicle. Remove any lines or power harnesses from the work area. Uninstall the leaf spring and move it out of the way. Step 3. Hold the frame section up to the frame and note its coverage. Mark a line approximately 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch from the bottom of the frame along the length of the frame rail section covered by the kit. Cut along this line and remove the bottom of the frame rail, including the leaf spring mount. Step 4. This part features a perforation for the rear shock mount. If you are replacing it, remove the mount at this time. If not, remove the perforation. Step 5. Grind the work area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer. Slide the frame section into place using the frame holes for alignment. C-clamp the part in place. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the part prior to welding all edges fully. Step 6. Paint the part and work area with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce future rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Finally, reinstall the leaf spring and any lines or harnesses moved earlier. Now, get back out on the road.